What's up everybody? How you doing? How you been? My name is Momo and I teach self-cut on YouTube. A lot of people have started to cut their own hair at home ever since the pandemic has started because it's useful skill to have, and also you save tons of money by not going to barber every 2 or 3 weeks or so. I'll be teaching you how to fade your own hair using this Ella Bella's 360 mirror. This mirror is very useful and practical when it comes to self-cut because traditionally you have to carry this hand mirror and see your reflection in the mirror, and you have to have a right coordination, left and right, have a right spatial awareness. But with this 360 mirror, you can see yourself left and right, front and back. And it's also very portable and it's lightweight, so you can attach this mirror on any door frame. So it's pretty good stuff. So shall we start? Boom! All you need for this tutorial, a hair clipper with adjustable lever with 3 guide guards, including number 1, number 2, and number 3 guards, which is 3mm, 6mm, and 9mm. And optionally, if you have a trimmer, it will be really helpful to create an initial guideline as well as edging up your hairline. When I say the lever is closed, that means the lever is placed diagonally to the body of clipper, which cuts shorter length of hair. And when I say the lever is open, that means the lever is placed horizontally to the body of clipper, which cuts longer length compared to that of lever closed. Let's get right into the tutorial. And the first thing I do before the haircut is I make sure all my hair is neat and nice and organized. This is a very important step because you don't want to start haircut while you're having this crazy hair or like hair that's sticking out or that's all over the place. So I use my comb to part my hair before the haircut. Take out your number 3 guard, which is 9mm in length, and put it on a clipper, which is lever all the way open. This is a step where you flatten your hair, making sure that all your hair has the uniformed length. After you're done with that, take out your trimmer, and if you don't have trimmer, you can substitute with hair clipper with no guard, lever all the way closed. And we'll be creating the first guideline across your head. Take your time in this step because the neater the initial guideline is, the better the outcome of your haircut. So take your time and be patient. When you're using this 3-way mirror, you're looking at the right side of your head while you're looking into the left side of the mirror. And that goes same thing for the other side. So if you want to look on the left side of your head, that means you have to look into the right side of the mirror. Now we'll be creating a second guideline using no guard, lever all the way open. Go open about 1 inch or 2.5 centimeters. And my tip is to stay consistent in length across the head. Once again, the neater it is, the better the outcome of your fade. So far so good. Now we're moving on to the next step. We'll be creating another guideline using number 1 guard, lever all the way open, be consistent, go open about 1 inch, which is 2.5 centimeters. And yeah, so we'll start seeing some frame for the fade. Basically what we're doing is to create layers for different lengths of hair, and later we'll blend that line all together. So yeah, keep it up. Alright, so take out your number 2 guard, which is 6mm, lever all the way open. And what we're trying to do here is to kind of like blend the top of fade into the hair on the top. And I know it wouldn't blend completely, but it just softened the line. So this is the step that you have to go through. And once you go through with the lever all the way open, close up the lever a little bit, and just go up and again. So it also softens the line a little bit more once you close the lever. Alright, take out your guard completely off. Now no guard, lever all the way closed. Now this is the step where we erase the line that we've created. So we'll start with the bottom line. So you see the line at the bottom, we'll kind of flick out, flick out motion, which is like use your wrist. Don't shave it off completely, but use the corner of your blades to kind of flick out that line, and it will erase it completely. And once you go up a little bit higher, open up that lever just a little bit as you go up. This is the tip. So once you attack that bottom line, open up the lever just a little bit as you go up, but don't cross that second guideline that you've created earlier, but stay within that range. So stay with no guard, but this time lever all the way open. We'll be erasing the second guideline. And once again, don't shave it off completely. Use your corner of your blade and be patient. I know sometimes it doesn't erase that line completely, but keep it trying. It takes some time to erase that line completely. So use your mirror, check yourself, and to see if the line disappeared completely. And now come back with your number 1 guard, lever all the way open, and we'll be erasing the third guideline, which is the one we tried to soften the line with number 2 guard. So basically, once again, use your corner of your blade and flick out that line, and you start to see the line disappearing completely. And if you still see some, the blend is weak, you can close up that lever just a little bit. This is just up to you. It really depends on a clipper that you're using as well as the hair texture. So adjust your lever based on how much your clipper is taking off to blend that line. Alright, so that was it for the fading part, and this is just an optional tutorial, but I highly recommend you to go through this step because it just gives haircut so much better, and it just makes you look so much cleaner at the end. So if you have a trimmer, what I like to do is to line up my hairline, edge up, so kind of like a box shape. And this time, take your time. You don't want to mess up your hairline, so take your time and use your mirror both sides to see how it looks from the left, how it looks from the right, how it looks from the front. Use your mirror and make sure you do it nicely. Alright guys, what do you guys think about the cut? I think it came out really good. I highly recommend you to get this 3-way mirror because it really helps you to see the back of your hair especially. So if you're a beginner, this mirror is especially really helpful. So check this out. I'll put that link in the description. And if you have any questions or comments, leave a comment down below. And thank you for watching my video, and I hope to see you very soon. Boost!